Hi, third graders. How are you doing? So now we're going to solve together the science worksheet number 5. So it's the worksheet that you have to solve this week, week 8. And this worksheet is about our muscular system. In this lesson, we identified the function or the job of the muscular system in the body. We said that it is the system that produces all of our movements. This system made of more than 600 muscles help you move, and these muscles are found in almost all the places of your body or the parts of your body. In the arms, in the legs, in your face, chest, back, stomach, everywhere. And in order to build strong muscles, to build bigger and stronger muscles, since, as I mentioned before, muscles do not grow in numbers, they grow in size. So to make your muscles bigger and stronger, you have to exercise, to consume healthy food, to sleep well, and drink enough milk and water. These muscles, your muscles, contract and relax to produce different movements. Let me start with question number 1. It's a question found on page 102 in your book. Use the words from the box to complete the paragraph. We have the words muscles, ears, and bones, and we have to use these muscles in the paragraph. Let me read the paragraph. I heard the teacher asking me to kick the ball. A message traveled from my tada to my brain. What do you think? What is the first organ in your body that had received the teacher's order? How did you hear the teacher's order? Using your ears. So the message is sent from your ears to your brain. I will cross the word ears. I used it right here. So a message moved from your ear to your brain. The brain now, which is the control center of the body, will make your muscles move. How will it do this? Let's see. My brain sent a message back to something in the leg. So your muscles, the muscles found in your leg, move. They need to take the order from the control center. So the control center, which is the brain, sends a message to the muscles of your leg, and then these muscles, when they contract, they pull your bones. They will move your bones and you will kick the ball. Okay, so again, and we're talking here about skeletal muscles. I will add here this note, skeletal muscles, since these are voluntary muscles. You are taking the order from your brain, and this is an optional order. It's up to you. You decide if you want to move the muscles of your leg and kick the ball, or if you don't want, you will not move your leg. So this is an optional movement, an optional action, and the muscles found in your legs are skeletal muscles. So the message moves from the ear to the brain. The brain sends the message to the muscles in your leg. These muscles, when they contract, they move the bones. And also we call them skeletal muscles since they are attached to the bones in your legs. Question number 2, we have to answer by true or false. The movement of blood through heart and body is called circulation. What do you think? So the heart, this heart, and the blood vessels through which the blood moves inside the body are parts of the circulatory system. And I told you that the circulatory system is responsible of the blood circulation inside our bodies. So this statement is true because the movement of the blood in the body is called circulation. When you inhale, your lungs become smaller. Let's think about this. When we inhale, we are filling our lungs with air. Will our lungs be bigger, full of air, or not? Or they will become smaller, empty? What do you think? When we inhale, we are breathing in the air. We are filling our lungs with air, so our lungs become bigger. So this statement isn't correct. This is a false statement. The stapedius is the human body's longest muscle. What do you think? The stapedius is a muscle found in our ears. So is it the longest or the smallest? The stapedius is the smallest muscle. So this is wrong. Okay? Here I will cross the word smaller since this is wrong. And here I will cross the word longest since this is wrong. The stapedius is the human body's smallest muscle. This muscle is found in the ear. Exercising increases the number of our muscles. So when we make sports, do we increase the number of our muscles? Will we have more muscles, more than 600 muscles? This is also a false statement since muscles grow in size and not in number. So exercising increases the size of our muscles. Digestion transforms nutrients into food. So when nutrients go inside our mouth, they will end in food in the small intestine. What do you think? Is this true? No, this is wrong since we need to switch the two terms, nutrients and food. Digestion is the process of transforming food into nutrients. The food will become nutrients and not the opposite. Nutrients are the good substances such as vitamins, proteins, sugars that every cell in our body needs. So, in the digestive system, food will transform into nutrients. Question number 3 now. Skeletal muscles or smooth muscles? How will we know the answer? We need to think. If this is a muscle that we can control, it's a muscle that we decide using our minds to stop its movement or to move it, this means that this is a skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. It's us who controls it. Okay? Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles. We cannot stop them or control their movements. Muscles of your stomach. When your stomach mixes food with the juices found in it to digest food. Is it you who is controlling these movements? Can you stop the digestion process happening inside your digestive system? No, you can't. So, the muscles of your stomach are smooth muscles. These are muscles that you cannot control. Muscles of your esophagus. So, when food moves from your mouth to your stomach, Can you stop the food passing through the esophagus? Can you control the movement of the esophagus, the work of the esophagus? No, you cannot. So this is also a smooth muscle. The smooth muscles found in your esophagus are involuntary. Muscles of your upper arm. Let's try this together. Raise your arm. Put it down. Raise your arm. Put it down. So it's us who control the movement of these muscles. We are controlling the movement of these muscles. We can raise our arm if we want to. If we don't, there is no need to raise it, or you don't want to raise your arm. So we can say here that you are controlling the movement of these arms, and these are skeletal muscles. Muscles in your fingers. So there is no muscles in our fingers. I will talk about this later on in the next lecture video. So there are muscles in the palm of our hand, and these muscles are connected to your fingers with tendons. But let's talk about the muscles of our hands. Since it's up to us to move our hands the way we want, and we can control the movement of our hands, so we can say that these are the muscles found in our fingers are skeletal muscles. Label the diagram of your biceps and triceps muscles. Okay, so these are skeletal muscles, or the skeletal muscles of your arm. Okay, what do we call this muscle? What is this? This is a muscle. It's the bicep. Thus, I'm going to use the words from here. So this is a muscle. Okay, muscles are what? What else? This is a bone. Okay, this is a white or a pinkish organ. This is a bone, and this is also a bone. Okay, what connects a muscle? What connects the muscle to the bones? It's this small structure called tendon. So tendons are the structures that connect muscles to bones. Okay, I will try to color them for you. Okay. Okay, let me circle them. This is easier for me. So this is a tendon. Okay, these also are tendons, and tendons connect muscles to bones. So when muscles move, when they contract and relax, they will be moving our bones. Indicate one way to grow strong muscles. There are many ways to care for our muscles and grow stronger and bigger muscles. One of these ways is making sports, working out. So exercising is one of the ways that helps you grow bigger muscles. Exercise makes muscles get bigger, and it also makes them stronger. So if you have any questions about this worksheet and you want to ask, feel free, send me private messages on my WhatsApp, and I will be happy to answer all of your questions. Bye bye.